Hello everyone. When you are done with your Ubuntu 20.04 server setup, you need to do some configuration before putting your server in live environment. You want to do some security and initial configuration, which most of the administrators do. Stay with me and watch the entire video to learn something new today. Let's start. Okay, this is a fresh install of Ubuntu 20.04 server. The first thing you want to do is to update your server. Then your server will prepare for upgradation. Then use sudo apt list upgradables for list of packages which will be updated, and then hit sudo apt upgrade to complete the upgrade process. The next thing you want to do is to create new users for your servers if you want to give this server access to some other people. Next thing, we will change our server's host name. To view details of your server's existing host name, just type hostnamectl. To change the host name and set a new one, press this command. To verify new host name, just type hostname command. Server time is very important thing. We need to check before a server can go into production. So we need to set the time and correct time zone first. Also, if you have any NTP server in your network, you should use it. Let's see how we can do that. After you have done configuring your timesync service, you want to restart the service and check the service's status. In order to get a list of all TCP and UDP network services up and running by default in your Ubuntu server, execute the ss command. Starting with Ubuntu 16.10 release, the default DNS resolver is now controlled by systemd resolve service, as revealed by the output of ss commands. You should also check the systemd resolve service status by running this command. The systemd resolve service binds all enabled network interfaces and listens on ports 53 and 5355 TCP and UDP. Running systemd resolve caching DNS daemon on a production server can be dangerous due to the numerous number of DDoS attacks performed by malicious hackers against unsecured DNS servers. In order to stop and disable this service, we need to execute this command. That's all now. Your Ubuntu server is now prepared for installing additional software needed for custom network services or applications, such as installing and configuring a web server, a database server, a file share service, or other specific applications. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.